And we select the speakers and topics based on feedback from our colleagues. That feedback comes from our experiences within our own companies, as well as those who are participating in any given Land O'Lakes conference. My name is Susan Lurkey, and I'm with Johnson & Johnson Pharmaceuticals in Pennsylvania. I think it's a very important part of the conference that we do base our agenda on the feedback from others, what they really want to hear. We're not simply picking what's important to us as planning committee members.
The first place that we draw the topics on is from the survey from the previous year. So at the end of each year's conference, we have a survey that people fill out. And part of that includes what topics do you want to see for next year's conference, or what topics did you not see at this conference that you want to see next year?
We will try to understand what is going on in the industry and what is the challenges that we are facing at the time of the conference, and we select a topic based on what we wanted to address for the next year. And we look at a couple of topics and we pick a topic which comes as a first priority to cover in the conference.
So this year we actually chose to do it differently from a past conference experience that we surveyed possible like up to 5 topics this morning from all the attendees. And then we are going to see what their preferences are.
We look for themes, like maybe something's come up several times that hasn't been addressed maybe in the previous years, or we may see a theme and say that's something that we definitely want to take forward. Oftentimes we're trying to draw upon what are emerging things that we're seeing in the field, because the planning committee is composed of people who are in industry, who are CROs, who are academia, and we actually had somebody on the FDA as part of our planning committee this past year. So they're all looking at the industry from a different angle, and sometimes we'll see themes throughout, we'll see certain things emerging that others want to know more about. And so we typically hold quite a few planning meetings to get together, talk about the survey results, talk about what we're seeing, and we try to compile all of those topics, and then we basically vote and decide, what does the majority of us think is the most relevant to take forward into the next year. Then we look at all of those topics and we put together a theme based on what we think would be most appropriate.